Apple released a new color for the iPhone 12 and 12 mini, purple. So here's the Apple iPhone 12 in purple. I'll talk about my first impressions, my unboxing experience, and whether you should buy the iPhone 12 6 months after its initial launch. The iPhone 12 comes in 6 stunning colors, including black, white, blue, green, and red, and now, even purple. Interestingly, the 6 colors are the same number of colors in Apple's rainbow logo, which originally had purple. In Apple's spring-loaded event, the purple looks stunning. Even in real life, the color is like pastel, almost like lilac. When it comes to the iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max, the new purple color isn't available. But it makes sense since the Pro models usually go for a graphite, silver, gold, and Pacific blue finish. And for their latest iPhone, the Apple package features a purple iPhone with purple letters and the Apple logo. Apple rolled out a lighter, cheaper box in October, seeking to reduce its impact on the environment, and here it is in all its soft purple glory. There is a white paper cover that mimics a factory screen over the display on the front. This latest model doesn't include wired headphones and doesn't come with a wall charger. It comes with only a lightning connector to a USB-C cable, a SIM card tool, and an Apple sticker. The purple color is a softer shade than last year's darker purple. It has a pastel hue as opposed to the more pinkish hue of the previous iPhone. When you turn it over, you'll see the rectangular screen with the Sharpie-like frame and of course, the notch. The aluminum edges are also purple, but have a more saturated color than the front and back of the iPhone. Although the iPhone 12 in purple is minimalist in its design, with square rounded edges, for me it makes it easier to grip and hold compared to the more circular overlapping edges of its previous phones. If you're into that type of aesthetic, then it's great. Despite the new color, the phone screen is covered with an Apple ceramic shield, and everything about it is identical to the same flat-sided design, which supports 5G. And with an IP68 rating, which protects you from dust and water for dust-free use. It also introduces a new set of easy-to-attach accessories that enhance the iPhone 12 models and make wireless charging quite the experience. The MagSafe wireless charging system works by surrounding the charging coil with an array of magnets that ensure optimum alignment and efficiency. Although MagSafe chargers are designed to accommodate existing Qi devices, they provide more than 15 watts of power. In addition to the new MagSafe leather case and leather sleeve in deep violet, Apple released a leather wallet in Arizona and a silicone case in capri blue, pistachio, cantaloupe, and amethyst. Apple also released iOS 14.5 on April 26, and it comes preloaded on this phone. The update includes several new features, letting you unlock your phone with Face ID while wearing a mask, stopping apps from tracking you without your knowledge, and choosing from 4 different Siri voices. Some iPhone users who downloaded the update have already encountered some problems with the new operating system. New updates usually have a few bugs to work out at first, which is why some people wait a few days to download. Also currently, as of this video, we are now in 14.5.1, which Apple has updated last week. If you're still on an iPhone 8 or earlier, then this is a total no-brainer. If you have an iPhone XS or 11, the decision will come down to the screens, the engine, the shape, and perhaps 5G. Although there are slight differences between the iPhone 11's camera and the XS model, the overall picture quality is superior to the XS. Apple has released one of the best iPhones in recent years. If you're migrating from an Android device, it's a great introduction. So, we have to ask whether we should buy this iPhone 12. The rumored iPhone 13 is widely expected to be released pretty soon, within the next couple of months. Yeah, we've already reached that weird halfway mark now for most people. Apple also released this new purple color to help regrow interest in the iPhone 12. But if you want the latest thing, then you'll have to wait for the 13. If you're considering upgrading to one of Apple's new phones, you might want to know that the colors offered between the 12 and 12 Pro models differ. You can choose from several iPhone 12 models, whether it's the 12, iPhone 12 mini, or the 12 Pro or Pro Max, and then pick out your favorite color. And if you love something in purple, then the iPhone 12 might be the one for you. The purple iPhone 12s went on sale April 30th and have since been available. It starts at $829 unless you activate it through a carrier, and the purple iPhone 12 mini is $729 or $699 with a carrier discount. Currently, I'm still using the iPhone 10 and will be waiting for the 13 later this year. Since Mother's Day is coming up and my mom's birthday is the same day, I bought the iPhone 12 for her since she's still rocking the 6S. So, happy birthday, Mom. Are any of you guys buying this color or waiting for the new 13? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed the video, subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more. With all that said, let's see what Apple has in store with us for the iPhone 13. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.